Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, keyless entry, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, we are pleased to show you the 2016 Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, home link garage door opener, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.